Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I'm going to be going over my favorite beauty tools. So stay tuned. Okay, so I wanted to make a video for you guys showing off all of my personal favorite beauty tools, ones that I use all the time. So let's go ahead and just hop into it. The first thing that I have, so my favorite beauty tool are brushes, obviously. And if you want, I can do a whole brush collection video. Let me know down in the comments. But I thought I would show you my top 3 favorite brushes that I use all the time. And they are, this brush is from Real Techniques. I'm sorry, if you see my backdrop moving, my dog is sitting back there. So I apologize. But so my favorite brush is from Real Techniques. I use this for my bronzer and then also to wipe off any excess eyeshadow that may have some fallout. And then my second favorite brush, I would have to say, is the bullet crease brush from Morphe. It looks like this, and this is the M321 brush, and this is my all-time favorite brush to get sort of like in your crease or a little bit under your brow bone, to get a little bit in the corners. This brush is amazing. I'm obsessed with this brush. ColourPop also makes a brush like this, but I find that it's a little bit more stiff and it's a little bit more fat. So I really prefer this one. It's nice and soft. It's really easy to use. It's nice and thin, so you can get a good grip on it. It's really great for detailing and, like I said, getting in that crease. So highly recommend this brush. All of these products I am going to link down below in my description, so don't worry about it. I got you covered. And my third favorite brush, this one is kind of growing on me, honestly. So I ordered all of the ColourPop brush set mostly because I had a favorite eyebrow brush, and it's still my favorite. I just haven't gotten around to buying it. But I used to have the Luxie eyebrow brush, and I forgot what number it was, but it broke on me. I've had it for a really long time, and so I figured I would order the ColourPop brushes and try the one that they have. So I do have to say I do love the ColourPop eyebrow brush. It's edged, it's really thin, it's really great for detailing if you get the tail of your eyebrows, and then it's great for filling in as well. So highly recommend this brush. This is the ColourPop E6. And I use this for my eyebrows. So my next beauty tool that I love to use, and I'm so sorry, I've had this for a really long time, so I apologize. It looks kind of beat up, but these are my favorite pair of tweezers. I am going to try to find these so I can link it for you. Everything has rubbed off, but I love them because they're not like your average tweezers. They are very, very sharp and pointy and thin, so you can really get in there and grab like the tiniest eyebrow hairs. I love this. These are also really good for applying false lashes and just kind of pinching them together and pushing. I'm not wearing any right now, but pushing the false lash on to your eyelid. So, or your hairs, or you know what I mean. But I really love these tweezers, and I use these all the time. To go along with false lashes, I have to say this is a really great tool. I believe when I bought one of the pair of Ardell lashes, this came in there, and I really like these. Again, it has kind of like the tweezer side to where you can grab the false lash, and it also has this little cuticle like pusher at the end of it that you can use to, again, make sure that everything is all lined up perfectly and kind of push it down to get the glue to stick a little more. I love this. It's really easy, especially for somebody like me. I don't typically wear false lashes all the time. I only wear them on special occasions because I've said in a previous video, my eyelids and my eyes are just kind of sensitive when it comes to having something on them. So they always feel heavy and itchy, and I always end up taking them off right away. But when I do wear them, I like to use this because applying false lashes for me it can be very difficult. I've gotten better over the years, but I still struggle a little bit, with placing it and having the glue be dried and all that stuff. So I really appreciate this tool, and I find that it helps me a lot. The next tool I want to talk about is obvious. I love my beauty blenders. However, this is not the Beauty Blender brand. I want to say this is an e.l.f. beauty blender. I love this one. I think it works better than Beauty Blender. It has this nice flat side. It's really, really nice to grab. It's not like a hard beauty blender. It's got some give to it, and it's just perfect. It's a great size. This is probably my favorite makeup sponge. It is from e.l.f. So highly recommend this. I think I picked this up at like a Walmart store or a Walmart grocery store in the makeup section. But yeah, I love this. It's amazing. My next tool I want to talk about, I've mentioned in a couple other videos, which I don't know what I would do without this product. I learned about taking off the peach fuzz off of my face from a Jaclyn Hill video. And ever since I watched that video, I picked up one of these and I have never gone back. I love these. This is a facial razor. This one in particular, this is Tinkle. It's the brand. I got this on Amazon, so I will link this down below. And I use this to shave my whole face and get rid of the peach fuzz. You take it and you can get the sides, you can get your jawline, your chin, you can get the sides of your nose, really my whole entire face. I use this, and then I wash my face after I use it, and my skin just feels so soft. It's ridiculous. And it just makes makeup application so much easier, and it makes my foundation stay on so much longer. So if you have not tried this, I highly recommend it. I feel like this is the only thing that keeps my makeup. I mean, yeah, I have primers and stuff, but this really, really helps. I mean, my skin is always smooth. It's also good for exfoliating because you're taking off all of the hairs and the dead skin underneath it. So it really does a good job at exfoliating. It was very inexpensive. I think I got this, it was like a pack of 3 or 4, like I said, on Amazon. My hairs have never grown back darker or thicker. I think that's a myth. I don't know, but for me personally, that has never happened. So I would die without this product. The next thing I wanted to talk about, going back to kind of like brushes, but I picked this up at the dollar store. It has little suction cups on the back, and it's a little watermelon. They have different ones. They have unicorns, they had a pineapple, they had lips, I think. This is to clean your brushes. So you put this in your sink, it has the little suction cups, and then you take your brushes and you clean them, soap and water. Love this. It's easy to clean, it's rubber, plastic, whatever. And it's really cute. I think these are super cute. I wanted to go back and get the other ones, but I was so surprised when I saw this at the dollar store. This is great for washing your brushes, and it's one of my favorite products. Something else that I use all the time is my Silicone mask scooper brush thing. This product is perfect for getting the product out of your mask jars. I have this one face mask that it's super hard to get out of the jar, and it just gets everywhere. So having something like this has really, really helped. And I again got this on Amazon, and I will link my other video up top here. I did another video where I did an Amazon skincare haul where everything was under $15. So, and that's when I got this, and I've been using it ever since. I think mine came in a pack of 2, and you can pick the colors. I got this teal one, and then I got like a pastel pink one in the package as well. So if you're looking for a tool to help you apply your mask and scoop it out of the jar. Highly recommend this. It has been a lifesaver. Okay, so we have 2 products left. Next one I want to talk about. I'm super, super picky when it comes to my eyeliner and lip pencil sharpeners. I go through eyeliner pencils like crazy, and I have gone through so many sharpeners, it's ridiculous. I've tried the expensive ones, I've tried the cheap ones, I've tried the in-between ones, I've tried the ones that have, the shell over top where you can empty out the pencil shavings. I've tried the metal ones, I've tried the plastic ones, I have tried all kinds, and I have to say the one that I have been using the most, that's lasted me the longest, and that works, is from ColourPop. I'm sorry it's dirty, but I got this on the ColourPop website. It is my favorite pencil sharpener. It was really, really cheap. I think I've had it for about 8 months now, and it's still sharp and going strong. I really hope they never discontinue this, because without this I would be up a creek. I cannot find any other pencil sharpener that I like more, and if you guys have one that maybe I haven't tried, I would love to hear your comments down below and give me recommendations, because this, for me, it's the hardest thing to find is a good pencil sharpener, and I finally found one. And if for some reason ColourPop decides to discontinue, I would be so sad. So I love this. And if you guys have any recommendations, please leave it down below. Please. And then the last product, it isn't makeup related, it's hair related. I'm wearing a wig right now, by the way. I love this product. I think I got it on Amazon. Actually, I did get it on Amazon. And it is a wet brush. This one in particular, I really like. I use it in the shower. So what I do is when I wash my hair and condition it, I leave the conditioner on it for about 5 to 8 minutes, and then I'll sit there in the shower with the conditioner and I will comb it through my hair. It works amazing. It really gets the product and the conditioner into my scalp and my hair and my ends, and it makes my hair nice and soft because I'm brushing it in the shower and just working the product through my hair. And then when I get out of the shower, I rinse this off and I use it to brush my hair again without conditioner in it, obviously. I think it's amazing. I don't know what is going on with my voice. I think it's amazing, and that's why I wanted to recommend this for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my favorite tools video. Please leave me your comments down below. What are your favorite tools that you seem to use all the time? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing when my face pops up down here. You can easily click on that to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of the videos that I put out next. And of course, check out my videos on the sides that I have recorded previously in case you missed those. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.